Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn trigonometric formulae. You already know that there are 6 basic ratios in trigonometry with the help of which we can solve any sort of questions. What are those 6 formula? The first one is sine theta. What is sine theta? You must know that in any right angled triangle, if you take suppose triangle ABC and make angle theta, then the side opposite to this angle is called perpendicular and the side adjacent to this angle is called base B and the side opposite to right angle it is called H, hypotenuse. Now we have 3 sides, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse, and one angle theta. Now with the help of these 3 sides we can make 6 ratios which are known as basic trigonometric ratios. The first one is sin theta p by h, it means perpendicular by hypotenuse. The second is cos theta base by hypotenuse. These are the 2 most basic things. The ratio of sine and cos, it means if you divide sin theta by cos theta you will get tan theta, and if you divide cos theta by sin theta you will get cot theta. So basically these 2 are reciprocal to each other. Now cosec theta is the opposite of sin theta. Sin theta is p by h and cosec theta is h by p. In the same way, sec theta is opposite of cos theta because cos theta is b by h and sec theta is h by b. Now we take one trick to memorize all these 6 ratios, that is Pandit, Badri, Prasad, Bolo, Hari Hari, Hari Hari Bolo, Pandit Badri Prasad, Hari Hari Bolo, Pandit Badri Prasad. Here Pandit stands for P, Badri stands for B and Prasad stands for P. So we can write Pandit Badri Prasad Bolo Hari Hari, the numerator 1. How? Once again, Pandit Badri Prasad Bolo Hari Hari, and in the same way we have to take in denominator Hari Hari Bolo Pandit Badri Prasad. How? Hari Hari Bolo Pandit Badri Prasad, and in this way we can memorize it. There is one song also to memorize this. How? Sin theta p by h, cos theta b by h, tan theta p by b, cot theta b by p, cosec theta h by p, sec theta h by b. In this way you can memorize this. Let me again revise this song for you. Sin theta p by h, cos theta b by h, tan theta p by b, cot theta b by p, cosec theta h by p, sec theta h by p. I hope you must have memorized this. Now we will understand it in great detail. How to find the values of any trigonometric ratios from 0 degree to 360 degree and almost 0 degree to infinity. Let us find out. There are 4 quadrants. You must know these are the quadrants of a circle. Any circle has 4 quadrants. We start with 0, then we go to 30 degree, then we go to half means 45 degree, then we go to 60 degree, and at last we get 90 degree. What difference do you see here? Here the difference is of 30 degree, then 15, 15 and again 13 degree, 15, 15 and again 30. So this is 30, this is 45, this is 60 and this whole is 90. Now if we want to find the values of all these ratios, then what we have to do here, we just have to learn one thing. What? In the first quadrant, all ratios, all the 6 ratios will be positive. In the second, only sine and its opposite, cosec, it will remain positive, and all other will become negative. In the third quadrant, this one is the third quadrant, only tan and its opposite, cot, will be positive and all will be negative. And in the fourth segment, cos and its opposite, sec, will remain positive and all will be negative. So we can memorize with the help of one trick. All students go to college. How? All students take care. Let me write. All students take care. सभी विद्यार्थी ध्यान दें. Or we can say all students to college. Or we can say all schools to college, in this way. Or we can say add sugar to coffee. There are lots of tricks to memorize this. All stands for all the 6 ratios, namely sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. S for sine and its opposite is cosec. T for tan and its opposite is cot. And C for cos and its opposite is sec. Now we will find out the value of all. We will take 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Now, how to find the values? We'll do one thing. Divide all these by 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and 4 by 4, and we'll take its root under 0 by 4, root under 1 by 4, root under 2 by 4, root under 3 by 4, root under 4 by 4. 0 by anything is always 0, so we'll get sine 0 degree is equal to 0. We are finding all these values first for sine theta. Then sine 30 degree will be root under 1 is 1 and root under 4 is 2, so 1 by 2. Now 2 by 4 is already 1 by 2. So its root will be 1 and root 2 is root 2. This root 3 is already root 3 and root 4 is 2. So root 3 by 2. And this 4 is 1. So root under 1 is also 1. In this way we can find out all the values of the trigonometric formula. Now we will draw a column. And with the help of that column also we can find the values. Let us see how. We'll draw 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And in these columns, we'll put the values of sin theta, cos theta, then tan theta, then cot theta, then cosec theta, and then sec theta. This is 0 degree, this is 30 degree, this is 45 degree, this is 60 degree, and this is 90 degree. Sin theta 0 degree. How do we find the values? We just put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and they divide all by 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and then we find out the root. Now 0 by anything is 0, so we get sin 0 degree is 0. 1 root 1 and root 4 is 2, so sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Now 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, 1 root 1 and root under 2. This one also we can do root 3 by 2, and 4 cancel, we get 1. Now we just memorize one line, 0 degree to 90 degree. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. How? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Now to find the values of cos theta, we will go this way. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. How we went? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. And from here again 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. So sin theta and cos theta are complementary. We can say sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Now tan is the reciprocal of tan is the ratio of sin theta and cos theta. So 0 by 1, 0 by 1 is 0. Now 2 got cancelled, we get 1 by root 3. Here both get cancelled because both values are equal, so we get 1. Here 2 will get cancelled and we'll get root 3, and here anything divided by 0 will become infinity. Infinity is not defined in mathematics till now. Now cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, so it will also go this way. 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, infinity. So here also 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3 and infinity. Now we already know that cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So 1 by 0 is infinity. Now the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. And reciprocal of 1 by 0 is 0. Now this one is complement of cosec theta. Sec theta is the complement of cosec theta. So it will also go in this way. Infinity 2, root 2, 2 by root 3 is 0. So we will write infinity 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, 0. In this way, we can find out all the values of sin theta to sec theta from 0 degree to 90 degree. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.